Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix payment not completed in App Store. For example, if you click on App Store and if you try to purchase or download an app which is available as a payment method. So if you try to purchase or download the app and you see an error, payment not completed. For example, if you open App Store and if you try to install an app which is available to download as a payment, so if you click on that and you see that error, payment not completed, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode, and after that you have to simply turn off the airplane mode again, and you have to simply check you are now connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset, and you have to simply reset all of your network setting. And you, after resetting your network setting, you have to simply go to App Store again, and you have to try to install the app again. And if the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to setting, and after that you have to click on name or Apple ID, and after that you have to so here what you have to do, you have to simply click on view account, and here what you have to do, you have to simply check your payment method whether it is available or not, which means you have to simply provide a correct payment method, and you have to simply check you have provided all the details in your payment method. And after checking all the details, you have to make sure that your payment method is working properly. So in this way you can simply solve the error. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.